Hey, hi everyone. This is Aishwarya. I hope all are doing great. This is our first video after reaching 500 subs. Thank you. And I'll be sharing many more scripting sessions going forward, and I'll be here to guide you throughout this journey. Now let's get started into the today's learning session of scripting. Have you ever wondered how ServiceNow instantly knows who you are when you log in, and how it exactly knows which group you belongs to? And how we can pull all that information using just a few lines of script. So in today's video, I'm going to break down this interesting ServiceNow concept step by step. We will start with the gs.getUser, where ServiceNow is going to identify the currently logged in user, and later use this particular one called as getMyGroups. I'll just explain you while I'm scripting it, so don't worry about it. Later, I'll try to explain you how we can use different looping concepts and iterations while we walk through each group one by one. And finally, we'll try to print the result in the background script. So by end of this video, you won't just understand the concept. You'll be able to write your own logic and explore many. So I'm here to guide you. There is no worry about it. Now let's get started into the practical demo. This is my ServiceNow instance, like a personal BDI. So in the filter navigator, search for background script. So as I'm explaining, I'm just doing in background script. So under system definition, you find scripts background. Just open that in a new tab. So this is my coding area where I script, and this is the space where we get the output result. So here first, we'll try to get the currently logged in user. For that, I'll try to declare where user is equal to gs.getUser. So always try to end every line with a semicolon. Okay, while you write a JavaScript. Next, I'll try to get all the groups inside is the user belongs to. Again, I'll try to declare another variable where user groups is equal to. I'll just use the previously declared variable user dot working get my groups. I'll just end with semicolon. Later, I'll try to create an iterator to loop through the groups where it is equal to user groups that I declared earlier. I'll use like dot iterator. So many of them might not use this, but this is something you can just explore this how you can use that dot iterator. I'll just end with a semicolon. Next, I'll try to loop through each group's SID. If I'm saying each group, you're supposed to use a while loop. So while it has, so I have to iterate. So I'm going to click has next. So clever bracket, and here is the part where we can use our scripting logic to grab. Now I'll try to get the groups SID. Again, I'll try to declare where groups is next with semicolon. Later I'll query the group table. So again, I'll require a variable, and I'll just write my own name specification. I'll use a new light required, and see whenever when the group present, if the group is present in the instance, when you just write the name within this quotes, it should be selected and it will change to italic. That is how you can just identify. Yes, so there is a group and we have just used that. I'm trying to glide recorder sys user group table. Later I'll use an if loop. I'll try to get the group SID. Okay, and later I'll try to print the sysid concatenated with the name of the group. For that, gs.print group sysid plus. So I'll use this code. So whenever there is a static value, you're going to use a single quote, and so that it is going to print on the display type. So quote hyphen, again I'll use a concatenate plus, and I try to print the name of the group. For that, group dot get value, and in that I'll try to get the value of which it's a name, and that's it. So in order to explain this, let me tell you, use underscore group. I'm trying to query this group, right? So this is the name. So I'm trying to just get the name of the group that the user belongs to. So you might think I can use a caps letter name or description like that. You're not supposed to use it when you're going to use. When you check the configure table. So if I just try to grab the column name, so it's nothing but the backend. Try to. So label can be this, but while scripting you're supposed to use the column name. Okay, that's what I did to print the user group. Like for example, I have logged in using an admin account. I will be belonging to one group, so I need to print which group I belong to. That's what the logic is. So that is about the scripting. Now let us run the script. So it's cool. See, so it printed me a sysid along with the name of the group. What does this mean? Like currently I'm logged in using the admin user, so it states that I belong to one group, and that group is nothing but this particular team development code reviewers. So I'll just show you that as well. The score user dot, sorry. So if I go down, I could say I'm present in one group, that is team developer code reviewers. So it print exactly. You can test the same script, or you can use this blocker script in your own requirements and you want to do your own logic, and it applies for impersonation. You can test with impersonating any of the user, and you can test this piece of script. Okay, I hope this helps. You have learned a new concept. Thank you so much, team. Bye.